Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to drill and tap the TD05 so we can get a boost reference for the wastegate. Stay tuned. Alright guys, low mount TD05. Best thing we need to do is get this pipe off here, and we've got to stuff a rag in past the point where we're going to be drilling, which is the old reference point, which came out that way. I took off when this was up the top, with the GT35 at the top as well. So we'll grind that down flat and then we'll drill it out. Alright, so I just got this white rag that I'm going to stuff up in there. Probably cut it in half. Make sure it gets past that reference point, that hole that I can feel on the inside. I'll just quickly grind that down. Drill it out. I'm going to leave the Cobra coupler on there, just so nothing goes into the front of the turbo. Alright, you can see, got the rag stuffed up in there. Make sure I don't forget to take that out, guys. Alright, I'm just going to grind this JB weld off, make it flat there, and yeah, and we'll drill it. But looks pretty flat. It's good. Might just get like a little drill piece to drill out the old JB weld, and then I'll get my Christmas tree in there and open it up so I can tap it. I said small, didn't I? So I need to go on the other side because I'm right-handed. Can't wait until this is out. No, that worked well. Pretty small hole. That should do it. That'll allow me to start with the Christmas tree. I've got to move this. I don't need this anymore, actually. Anyone want a black silicone intake? Comment down below. Alright, here we go. Tight. Well, that went through. Did you see it pop out? It's over there. I know this might sound weird, but I'm going to get this carbide tip in there. I think it's actually an M7, not a M8. So. Need a new drill. The chuck on this isn't very good. What was that came out? Wow. It's like a helical or something. It's got a thread in there. Okay. It's already got a thread. Will it go in? I don't know. It's weird that it's already got a thread. Alrighty guys, if I have no luck getting that fitting in, wherever I put it, I'm going to do what I did on this straight piece. I'm going to do a 1/8 MPT and then just put it onto I agree, and the silicone hose will just go straight onto that. So that held on fine. So let's see how we go. Hopefully we can get that barb in. This one here, it's just too close to the thread that's already in there, so we'll see how we go. Okay, so I'm going to have to take this Cobra off so I can spin the tool, so I can make a thread in there. So we'll get this off. There we go. Get you out of the way. Alright. Wish me luck. We're gonna have to go up to this one here, which will be fine. I can drill that out quite easy. Right. Like, okay. Alright, let's see how we go with this. Here we go. Wrong size. Wrong size. Where's an M8? Alright, we're going out to an M8. I think I stuffed that. Where is it? So we've got an M8 going in now, so oh, I think that's it. Yep. That'll do it. I'm actually gonna put some sealant on that and call it a day. Let's get that out. Go. Overdid it before when I drilled it out with that. There's a few threads in there, but put some sealant on that and I'll get this out. Put some sealant on it, just some RTV. wherever I've put it. Down here, I think. Right, got some ultra black on there. It's 11. That's all she needs. Maybe a little bit more. Yep. Don't test it, Glenn. Don't test it. Alright. Sweet. We've got a boost reference. And we'll get Cobra back on. That went that way, that went that way. That goes on. That goes on. But as you just saw, it's quite easy to take on and off. Just those two clamps, pop it off. Obviously we're going to be shooting a little bit of pressurized air out of that, but it won't pick that up really. The first start up, that's going to be off. You might have seen a hose fall down here. I've just got it into a AN fitting without the cup, without the collar, so that's why that was just sitting on there. Yeah, boost reference. This is going on, so we can. I'll put a cable tie on that. Actually, it's a bit loose going on. We'll cut them. Need to get this up high so it's out of the way of heat. Might cable tie that up. That's actually really good where it is, so I'll cable tie that up. Maybe over here. Cable ties, cable ties, cable ties everywhere. I don't know why I'm using yellow. It's going to be seeing a lot of pressure, so we don't want that to come off. So that means this will see lots of pressure too. Don't want that to come off. This fella here will see lots of pressure too. Just don't want that to pop off. So this one here goes to the wastegate, this one goes to the boost solenoid. We'll trim them up. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this episode, give it a thumbs up. I know it was a short one, but it's something we needed to do and I wanted to show you. If you liked this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.